Hi everybody, it's Pimp Body von Spicet Media. Hi everybody, I'm at the North Station. First time I filmed since Manchester. There you go, nice station. Right. Got the sign saying North Station tram stop. I'm just trying to film up here. St. Spirits on your left, and the sun is burning. So sorry, I got the sun facing us. I'm just trying to block it out now. Well, it's very sunny. Holiday Inn. They've been in this place filming some breakfasts in the past. In the old videos we lost. I'm walking down here to the police car. I'm just trying to do 20 to 25 minutes. Right. They are doing some work here at the tram stop. I don't know what they're doing. Fat Steve went out early this morning. He's doing that 24 hours. And he's done some filming. He's doing some videos for tomorrow at 12 o'clock. And I think they are doing some what they called car park. They are putting some new the payments in. It looks very nice. I'm trying to get out of the sun. The sun is blinding me. There's more colours. I'm trying to the sun. Wow. The sun is coming on your left. It's always the case. Wow. I'm crossing over, thank God. Right. I can't see no homeless people here. I want more colours. No one there. Trying to I'm walking down Talbot Road. I'm gonna try to film what I called the police station and sorry. the film. I'm stopped here just showing you stuff. Yes, I was saying, so sorry. I'm just trying to film that empty space of the truck shop on Central Drive. Fasty is lucky to have that scooter. He's been everywhere this morning, and I watched the video today for tomorrow at 12 o'clock. It's very good. He filmed everywhere, and us YouTubers have to walk everywhere. We don't film enough stuff in one video. And Fasty we got a scooter. They can film so many things in one video. I think that's something. Yeah, that's why we are different. Like what I called Steve's friend, the old biker, I have to walk everywhere, and he has to do 1 or 2 videos a day, right? And me, I'm just trying to do my thing. Sorry, I'm out of breath again. I don't know why. There is the man who lives in the telephone box just there. They sold the building, the post box building there. That's something. Wow. I've done 7 minutes of filming. Wow. I'm just trying to there is the co-op on Unbindon Street. When Steve say the word Unbindon Street, I listened, and I can say the word Unbindon Street now. The fountain is on. To me, it's a waste of money. Winter Gardens, Blackpool, it's not open, and Steve has got this. He's beginning to eat Subway. Yes. No. It's very busy down here, the main shopping area. Yes, very busy. I'm just trying to walk down there, then I'm gonna turn left. Oh. Wow. Very, very busy here. Right. people are in my way. I'm going to turn here. Empty. Not many people down there. There's the other side to the winter gardens. Here. I'm taking my time now. It's March the 19th. It must be 12:45. I'm Autistic Bobbie. We came back from Manchester on Saturday. We done 13 videos. It was mad. But me and Fat Steve is got used to Blackpool, but Manchester is just, it was hard. Instead of acting mental like I do here in Blackpool, I have to be careful because there are different types of personalities there, and yes, because I know people here in Blackpool, I don't know them in Manchester, and me and Steve have to be on guard all the time, and Steve is protecting me because there are some people are very aggressive at night. We saw some things. We didn't film it, and in time, wow, those seagulls, they're fighting each other. In time, we hope to go back to Piccadilly Gardens and Market Street because there we could get some more content, more antisocial behaviour during the day, especially at night. Different type of people there. There is our Wamson sells fish and chips, chippy. I'm trying to film the empty space where the chalk shop used to be. I'm just helping Fat Steve to do a video for him at 12 o'clock if you want to use it. It's up to him. With me, I don't get up early like I did in Manchester. I like to have a lie in. And I did about 10, 11. And now I'm filming That's me. I'll fix my gloves. Wow. Done about 10 minutes walk now. This place called the Museum of Fun and Entertainment Showtime. If people live in Blackpool, if they need ID, counter tax form, they get in free. Yes. And the locals who live in Blackpool bring ID, you can get in free. Yes, I found out that information the other month. There's no one sitting outside McDonald's. Hold on. Sorry. So, this caravan. Right, I'm trying to walk now. There's the McDonald's there. I've noticed there is Central Drive starting. I noticed it when we was there in Manchester. There's about 10 homeless people, maybe less. But Blackpool has got quite a lot here. It's bad here for aggressive beggars. Right, take two. There's very aggressive beggars, aggressive street drinkers. I got a person on my back. He came into my face, asked me to film him for £40. Not for £50, £40, £30, £20. I did that. I did not film his face. I filmed his legs. I gave him £20. He was happy. I got permission to film him, and he threatened me. He threatened me because we put the video up on him, and all his friends is taking the piss out of him, and he's threatened me with a solicitor. And I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm going to go to the police. I will not interview anymore homeless people, talk to them anymore. But this man is threatening me because I'm autistic, I'm a woman, I'm mental problems, which is out of order. I didn't do nothing wrong. He approached me for money. Right. Look at these hotels. Wow. And I'm at the choker shop. It's gone. It's gone. No more jokes for the holiday makers or the locals. It's gone. Yeah. Bye bye jokes. Can you see that on the wall? Wow. Look at these buildings all closed. I think they're gonna knock this down. But that is. Oh, I noticed they put this black thing up here to protect the other shops. You notice that? I just noticed that. I'm crossing over. This is Central Drive. Look at that. They put the black thing up. Terrible. Why? I need to cross over. It's on green. Wow. Right, that is Central Drive. I filmed some stuff for you. I'm going round the corner. Out of the sun. I'm trying to catch it. And this telephone hasn't been fixed. There are graffiti, smash windows. Oh, I tried that tower shot. Between two buildings. Right. I filmed for 25 minutes now, but yeah. I'm filming, but the sun is too bright. If you do go to Manchester to Piccadilly Gardens on Market Street, please be careful, because it's my first time and there's some interesting people there, personalities. There we go. There's more graffiti everywhere. Okay. Trying to film. Where is the tower? There. Right, I'm going to walk up here to film it above this bridge. This is hard walking up here. This ill thing. It's taking a toll on me. I'm not fit like I used to. No. I'm in pain with my body, with my back now. Bloody hell, that's it. My back is hurting me now. I'm trying to film my, look at that fantastic tower. Way up. There you go. There you go. How you doing? Hi. I think I know you. Are you actually a YouTuber? Yeah. Yes. Yes. That's Robert. Yes, I watch your videos. Yeah, so.
Autistic. Bobbie.
I'm Bobbie.
Yeah.
I'm Autistic Bobbie, Fat Steve's fiance.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And what are you a new?
I'm Mark.
Mark what?
Aston 1. Aston 1.
Yeah. Can I film you to promote your channels on? Well,
Bobbie Adventures on a Mobility Scooter, man.
what is your channel?
Aston 1.
Wise. What do you film?
Anything what's going on in Blackpool.
Okay, that is great. Right. Okay. And what is
Bobbie
your?
Adventures on a Mobility Scooter.
Any film, anything.
Anything around Blackpool.
Right. With me, Fasty and Autistic Bobbie, I film antisocial behaviour. I film the police, the anything to do with the homeless people. I go around Blackpool at night. I film any shit. That's me. Yeah.
That's how you tell it, isn't it?
Right. This is the I'm tired. There you go, folks.
Hey. Just need to find you to Nick now, Robert. Don't you make cold to put it back here.
Hi everybody, please watch these two YouTubers channels, please, and they are very good YouTubers of Blackpool, and please go to the channels because I watch these videos and they are brilliant videos. Okay, catch you later. Bye bye. I done 34 minutes and I'm gonna sign out from the Autistic Bobbie. If you do see any more, I will do more filming of Ancestors of Baby. Bye.